Welcome back to Crafting with Pui Designs, a Silhouette Studio edition. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Silhouette Studio to create digital papers, simple digital papers right in here. The first thing we're going to do, um, I'm going to change my page setup right here. I'll change it to Auto Cameo, like 12 by 12. Okay, and I'm working in Silhouette Studio Business Edition, and I will be able to save my files, my design, into PNG files. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and make a square. I want it to be 12 by 12, 12 by 12. And then I'll send it to the paper here, the mat, and I'll make it pink. I love pink. Okay, this is my pink my pink background. Okay, now I'll go here. I'll go to my shapes here, and I'll take a heart, and I'll draw a small heart like so, and I'll convert it to pad, and I'll make it white. I'll keep it simple. Take the red line out. I'll keep it white. Okay, I will keep it selected, and I will go to the replicate tool, and I'll do this fill page, and you see the page is filled. Okay, and then I can select the white. I can go to edit, select my color, and I'll go to the fill, and I'll select white. You see, here's the white, and then I will right click and group all the white together. Look, only the white is grouped. Okay, and now I'm going to save my file as a PNG. Save to hard drive. um I'll say hard pink. You can name it however you want, and I'll save it as a PNG. Click OK, and I will save it on 300 dpi. Okay, I'll leave this open, and I'll click save. Okay, now I have a digital paper with a pink background with white hearts. Do you know that we selected all the hearts? We grouped them, and the background is like this. Now I will leave this open. I will select pink, and then I can go into the pink and change it to red. After I do this, I save it again. Okay, I save it as a PNG. Okay, I'll go back to the red, and I can come back here, and I'll change it to green, and I'll save this too in my computer. That's how you can come and change the colors of the background. Look for the most beautiful color. You see this? I do this. Okay, one other thing you can do too, for instance, if you want two colors, like dual colors, let's say I want the hearts to be pink, I will select the white because the hearts are white. I'll go here, and then I'll make them pink. And if I want this one to be something else, let's say I want it to be, let's say, brownish. You see, I can have these two colors right here, and I can save them and stuff. Okay, and so I have different colors. One other thing you can do also, if you want these to have different colors, you will have to ungroup them and go in. I tell you, you have to go in and pick them yourself. I don't have a way to jump. I will just select this. I hold shift, and I keep selecting, jumping, selecting and jumping, and then I'll place another color there. Let's say blue, and I'll group them, and now I'll start here. One, two, no, I'll start here, 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 and here. I'll group them again, and I'll put it blue. So that's what you will have to do, okay, to make it different. Okay, so this way you can use any shape. Okay, any shape. You can come back here, let's say stars. You make a cute star. Okay, convert it to pad, fill it with a color. Let's see, the blue. You can adjust your stars if you want it to be straight or a little bit tilted. It's up to you. I'll put it straight, and then I'll get this red line out, and then I'll go back here to replicate, and I click on this, and then my stars will be here, and I can do the same. So you can create a bunch of digital papers. The other thing, um you can also use images that you already have. Let me see here. Okay, let me see here. Let me see if I can find the image that I already have. I'm going to merge it. I need to be in here. I'm going to merge it into here. Merge. HLC. Okay. Let's say I want to. I love this one. Let's say I want to create a digital paper with this girly here. Let me delete this out. Let's say I make this the background. Yeah, like so. I'll have her here, and then I'll make her smaller. Let me take the red line out. We do the same thing. You make it smaller, you keep it selected, and you come over here. Yeah, so you see you have the digital paper offer, like so. So you can do it with images and with shapes right here in Silhouette Studio. And then you can change the color of the background and make multiple of them of the same. This is very easy to do. I think this is how we see this is how they make the wallpapers, like the digital papers that we see on Etsy, right here in Silhouette Studio. You need to get Silhouette Studio if you don't have it. You purchase it for $50 for life. You don't have to pay monthly subscription for it, and you can use it even when you do not have internet. You will be able to use it because you will download it into your computer, and it will live inside your computer. And you can, yeah, you'll be able to use it for anything, for sublimation, for print and cut and all that, instead of like using Canva and paying every month. Some features are right here in Silhouette Studio that you can use for your crafting. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Silhouette videos coming. Thank you. Bye.